Greetings, it's Yusuf from Luxury Reports. I have an issue. I cannot leave well enough alone. So here is an install of the AWE Coldfront front mount intercooler. But I didn't do it myself. I sent it over to the fine folks at Autohaus Social to handle. And I'm gonna go ahead and toss the ball over to Nash to go ahead and explain the intercooler and the install process.
So today, Yusuf, good friend, brought in his beautiful 2019 Audi S4. If you're familiar with the vehicle, it comes with a 6-cylinder with a single turbo on this vehicle, and like most turbocharged vehicles, the air that comes through the exhaust is pretty warm because it goes through the turbo. So what you need to do to kind of combat that or to minimize the heat is upgrade the intercooler. The factory's got a good enough intercooler for just basic driving, you know, out in the streets and stuff, but if you ever want to kind of get a little bit more spirited with the driving, you know, we really recommend upgrading the intercoolers on any turbocharged vehicle. With this particular Audi, we went with an AWE setup, a very reputable, noble company in the automotive industry. And AWE's put together a very nice intercooler, big thick core, nice intakes. And what that allows is for more air to get through and for more of the air to cool off as it goes back into the motor for combustion and stuff. So absolutely, if you've ever thought about, you know, getting into any type of motorsporting event, or if you just like to go on a mountain drive and stuff like that, an intercooler is a great way to spend your money. It definitely keeps temps cool at that charge, and everything runs smoother and better, so it's definitely worthwhile to install one. Install is relatively straightforward, not easy. Nothing is easy on any of these cars, but it is a pretty straightforward process. The front bumper comes off. You replace the older, some cars have got single intercoolers, multiple intercoolers. This car replaced it, put a single big front mount on it. And you know, you should be pretty excited in the next mountain run or whatever you end up doing. You should definitely notice a little bit more performance gains than if the cooler charges the vehicle and stuff. Yo, Atlanta. Yusuf gave me the keys to the S4. I'm heading out to road Atlanta. See ya!